In this video I just wanted to show how you could make a cheap PC oscilloscope and signal generator for under $30. I bought this probe off eBay. It just plugs into the back of your sound card. Here's the software I'm using. It's Visual Analyzer. The top part's oscilloscope, the bottom part's spectrum analyzer. I was going to run the SEC off two AA batteries that have 2.79 volts in them. Connect this meter back to the top part of the tower. It's putting out 6970 volts. Disconnect the meter. Here I have 21 LEDs in series. For some reason the top middle LED is not lighting. I'll connect the oscilloscope. The bottom part's the spectrum analyzer and the top part's the oscilloscope. I was surprised it went fast enough to work with the SEC. Can slow it down or speed it up. It also has a function generator on it. I haven't tried that part yet, but it seems to work very well for under $30.